Morning, welcome to We Repair. So today I am doing a very quick change on a trackpad on this because the one on this Asus is damaged. So this is an Asus X553M laptop. It's got a damaged trackpad internally, so we're going to get that changed out. Couldn't really be a more simple repair, to be truth be told. So what we're going to do, we'll quickly grab our screws out of the base of this. Main thing to mention is the screws at the back of the laptop are longer than the screws at the front of the laptop. So when you go to put it back, you need to make sure you get those screws in the right places. Let's just pop those back there. The ones at the front are shorter ones. This is a bit of a work in progress I've done. This is the second video I've done on this now. My first one was talking about replacing the hard drive. So that's also a good one to watch if you want to know how to do that. So this one, we're just going to quickly pop this open and get the back off. So just do that now. So that's that. I'm going to pry up in the gap around the edge, just being mindful of the ports and things down this side. We do have a ribbon connector around here underneath and the second one around here, but in my case the second one is broken. So we'll just quickly do that. So we'll just get a pry tool in there, and again, literally working your way around. And there are a number of plastic clips that will just pop up. Not a tricky job at all. There we go, so that's that done. I'll try and show you this plastic bit internally if I can. So hopefully, see there's my clip that's broken. And you can see the second ribbon cable there. So we just pop this little clip upwards and it will just pull out like that. And that's the whole of our top piece now removed. So on this trackpad we've got 3 screws that run across. So 1, 2 and 3. And what we'll do is we'll just undo this one, undo this one, and undo this one. And normally you get them integrated, you have to do the whole palm resting keyboard, but in this case it just pops out like that, which is amazing. So that's really, really easy. So I've got my new one here. So old one, new one. The reason I'm replacing it is because that little clip just there is broken. And on my new one, obviously you can see that little clip just there is fully intact. So to get this back in, what we do is we put it here, slide it towards the front of the screen like that, and then push down and those 3 will just drop into place. And then we'll grab our 3 little dippy things. We'll do that one there, and number 2, and number 3, and that is now absolutely working fine and replaced. So what we're going to do next, we'll get this cable reattached, we'll get this ribbon cable at the back reattached. I think probably the easiest way to do this, it's actually long enough, so no, we should be alright. So I'll try my best to show you on camera. I'm not going to make you any promises that this is going to be one I'm going to be able to show you. But basically, blue tab facing up, sliding under the little clippy bit. I'll show you once I've finished if I can. This is going to be tricky. Sliding under the little clippy bit. Come on, cable. Okay, well, doesn't want to go in there. So I mean, it's one of those ones that's just at a really awkward angle to get that connection in. There we go. So that's that all clipped in, and then we'll do our second one, which is really easy. So pop the little catch up, and then we'll just slide this up and lock it in. Just like, oh. Okay, I'll try and show you this once I'm done. Just like that. So there we go. We've got our second cable clipped in now as well. So what we do to reassemble, put this back down flat, open our lid up, and then just get the top lined up and then just push down all the way around until you hear it click on all sides. Okay, just like that. flick it back over. And again, remember the fact you've got two different lengths of screws. So one in there. Helps having a magnetic screwdriver as well if you've got one. So far we're up to a whopping 5 minutes to do that. It's not a long job at all. So let's just do these ones up. And last one. And that's it. We are all done. So that is our trackpad replaced in our series of this laptop. It just needs a bit of a clean up now. And obviously there's a few other bits and bobs that still need replacing on this, which will be coming in future videos. Well, if you found the video useful, then please drop us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel if you've got a minute. That'll be really good and help us support us. And I'll keep posting new content as the days go on. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.